Today I'm going to tell you how to make instant Uttapam. For this, we take one ladle of rava. We then add water enough to completely soak the rava. We soak this for about half an hour. After half an hour, we realize that the rava has become really soft. We take some idli batter as per our requirement. We then add this soaked rava completely into the dosa batter and nicely mix it. We add some salt, some sugar, some hing, some jeera and mix it thoroughly. To this we also add some chopped onions, some chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum. We can use both green and yellow. In case you have red, you could use that also. Some carrots, some chopped chili, some ginger and curry and mint leaves to make it as healthy as possible. Now we mix this mixture thoroughly. Now the batter is ready. We spread this batter thoroughly over the tawa and allow it to cook. The instant Uttapam is now getting ready. You can see how healthy and colorful it has come out. It can be readily had with chutney.